In today's world, the impact of traditional packaging on our environment is undeniable. We live in a time where the repercussions of our actions are starkly visible. Picture this: vast oceans suffocating under the weight of plastic waste, landfills reaching their brim, our natural landscapes marred by discarded wrappers and boxes. It's a grim picture, isn't it? Traditional packaging, primarily made from non-renewable resources, has become a significant contributor to this environmental debacle. It often ends up as litter, clogging our waterways, endangering wildlife, and even seeping into our food chain. The sheer volume of packaging waste generated daily underscores the urgency of finding sustainable alternatives. We can no longer afford to turn a blind eye to the mounting environmental cost of our actions. The time to act is now. But what if there was a better way? Introducing a new concept in packaging that aims to revolutionize the industry and minimize its ecological footprint. This innovative packaging is made from biodegradable materials, sourced from renewable resources, and designed to be fully recyclable. Picture this: a world where packaging doesn't end up in landfills or littering our oceans, but instead breaks down naturally over time or can be recycled into new products. This isn't some far-off dream, but a reality we're creating with sustainable packaging. It's more than just a buzzword. It's a revolution in the packaging industry, combining innovation, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. These new packaging solutions are not just beneficial for the environment, but also for businesses. They can reduce costs, meet consumer demands for eco-friendly products, and help companies stand out in a crowded marketplace. And the best part? We're just scratching the surface of what's possible with sustainable packaging. Not only does this new packaging reduce reliance on non-renewable resources, but it also minimizes waste and pollution, contributing to a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Experts in the field have praised this new sustainable packaging for its potential to transform the way we package everyday products, offering a more environmentally conscious choice for consumers and businesses alike. This groundbreaking approach has numerous benefits. First, it's made from biodegradable materials, reducing reliance on non-renewable resources. Second, these materials are sourced from renewable resources, promoting responsible consumption and production. Third, the design is fully recyclable, minimizing waste and pollution. But the benefits extend beyond the environment. For businesses, sustainable packaging can enhance their brand image, showing consumers they are committed to sustainability. For consumers, it allows them to make eco-friendly choices and contribute to a healthier planet. Experts agree this revolutionary packaging has the potential to change the industry, setting a new standard for environmental responsibility. So, let's step into the future of packaging. Join us in embracing this new era of sustainable packaging. Together we can make a difference, one package at a time.